a quick source of energy, rich in potassium. Bananas help regulate blood pressure and promote happiness, thanks to vitamin B6. Composed of 90% water, it hydrates, refreshes, and protects the heart, thanks to its antioxidants. Rich in fiber, vitamin C, and antioxidants, it improves digestion and protects the heart. A concentrate of antioxidants that slow down aging and protect your cardiovascular system. Boost your immunity with its vitamin C and benefit from its fiber for good digestion. Rich in vitamin A, good for eyesight, and vitamin C to strengthen your defenses. A source of vitamins and digestive enzymes for optimal health and a strong immune system. Thanks to bromelain, it aids digestion and has anti-inflammatory properties. Rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, it takes care of your skin and your heart.